Hello. So, very interesting. This is now the Palace Armoury. So I'm going to exit from the side now. You can buy coins here. Maltese heritage national tokens. Lots of other souvenirs for you and books about St. John. And someone up here. The Palace Armoury. Destination. Don't touch.
That's a Grandmaster, guarda, quindi guarda.
Ceremony of the St. John the 16th century. Hello, Mr. Knight. Brass mortar. Brass mortar. Another knight. More knights. Look like they are here in the room with you. And they could speak to us if they were alive, but they're not. So standing on the platform, no need to stand. Matteo Perez D'Aleccio, 1547 after 1600. Cavalry armor, Maestro di Castelli, late 16th century. Saffron, Italian. And filming, yes, some filming. Suit of armor made for Grandmaster aloft the Vinia Court, 1601-1622. It's of Italian fashion and made or probably by the Maltese armourer Geronimo Spacini. Consists of the breastplate and backplate, full arms and pauldrons, showing the laminated plates in the head of the arms, gorget, closed helmet tassets, all paces, genouillères, jambes, solere, and a garde-reine of articulate scales. Accompanying the suit of armour is a circular buckler, the chaperon to hold armour, and reinforcing plates for the left shoulder with a view in the running of a course. Right. So now this is a suit of armor, Central Spanish, about 1630. In the first episode of Hawkeye, on Disney Plus. I don't know if you watched that. I did. So very interesting coat of arms or shields, basically. Never seen anything like that. Background leading to the Great Siege mentions the fall of Constantinople. There was Suleiman, one of the Turks. Fall of Constantinople to the Turkish Empire in 1453, to the Battle of Lepanto 1571. The Turkish Empire had more than doubled its size. In 1520, Suleiman the Magnificent, 1520 to 66, became Sultan of the Turks. Vienna was Rhodes of the Order of St. John followed in 1522. It was captured. Vienna was attacked in 1529. The Eastern Mediterranean was controlled by Turkey or its vassals. Western Mediterranean from Malta to Gibraltar was struggling to remain under Catholic control. Malta was considered to be the keyhole to the rest of the Mediterranean and to southern Europe. Maltese, it's a key, not a keyhole. I don't know why they translated this as keyhole. The order's prime focus was to reconquer Rhodes. The greatest tangible help from the Western powers was the granting of Malta and Tripoli by Charles V of Spain, 1530. Malta was situated at a long distance from Turkey, unlike Rhodes, and this was an obstacle to Suleiman, Lil Adam and Charles V. Small brass cannon. And some more information which one can read here about the Great Siege. The last engagement of the siege occurred on 11th September 1565, always 11th September, at Alata San Paul, St. Paul, when Mustafa's remaining land forces were assaulted while making their way to embark the Ottoman galleys, losing around 3,000 men in all against less than 10 Christians. Major events of made history between the two above mentioned episodes of the Great Siege of Malta 1565. They were painted for posterity in the Supreme Council Hall in the Grandmaster's Palace at Valletta. We've seen these. And then the Christian powers finally emerged victorious. And from 1565 to this day, the 8th of September, which is the feast of the Nativity of the Virgin Mary, was held as Victory Day, commemorating the lifting of the Great Siege. So, I'll be exiting. There's also a souvenir shop which you can buy things from, and that's also a nice memory. You can even buy a magnet. That's good. So now let's exit. Time to finish this video. and I'll see you in the next video, which is suggested to you here. Bye from Malta Network Resources in Valletta, Malta. Bye for now. Said by beggars usually in these streets.